Hello, everyone. Today we will introduce how to download bootload firmware program using Jlink. This is the Jlink interface definition. We need to use pin 3, pin 7, pin 9 and pin 20. Now open the Artery programmer, and then click on the Connect. Select the microchip, AT32F403. The first time you download the program, you need to disable read protection. Now let's select the bootload file, and click to start downloading. Select these two functions, and click Start Download. Now that the bootload program has been downloaded successfully,